Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play Zombie by the Cranberries on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is E minor. And now it's time to cover Dolores' lead riffs in this song. We'll go to the high E string and play a repeated riff that sounds like this. For that one, we're going to go to the 7th fret, hammer on to 8. We'll go to the 5th fret, hammer on to 7. We'll go to the 3rd fret, hammer on to 5. We'll go to fret 2, hammer on and pull off fret 3. And then we'll play fret 3 on the B string twice. And then we'll open it up. That's the open B string. Again. Next is Dolores' guitar solo at the end of the song, and we'll be using some double stops for that. Double stops are 2-note chords, and we're just going to be holding down the B and the high E string at different places and sliding this finger around. We'll start it like this. Ready? Go. For that, we went to fret 7. We're playing it and hammering on to fret 8, then moving to fret 5. So it's... and we're repeating that. Now, after that, we'll play this. Now that was the B and high E string at fret 7 to fret 8. Then we'll move to fret 5. After we play that a while, we'll move from 7 up to 10 and then to 12 and play back and forth. Here's the entire thing. Well, all right, my friends, that's all the parts to Zombie by the Cranberries on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.